So
Yeah, they
let
are
them
also
come whenever
trying.
they come.
Let's. Okay, okay, no problem.
Right,
Let's start.
right, all right. Okay, so welcome all of you. My name is Atul, and we run a platform called eGrowth. We'll tell you something more about it, and I understand that you're already there on the platform, so there is something more valuable that you can take back home. And then we'll also give you an opportunity to subscribe to eGrowth if you will to do so. All right. eGrowth, the leverage platform, is the world's first BAD ecosystem. BAD stands for Business Advisory and Business Development. So through this platform, our mission is to empower and enable businesses. So since each one of you is a business owner, we keep on looking at how is it that we can add value to your business so that your business grows, right?
Okay. Okay.
So we take business networking to the grassroots level. So we've got a portal called egrow.org. We also offer business development services. There's personal connect, like you've been in touch with Ronika. Ronika is our community manager. She
Mhm.
supports all our members to whether to come, how to come online. If there are some challenges they're facing on the portal, she helps with
Mhm.
them. Okay.
Mhm.
Otherwise, also to help you with contacts and all that stuff. That is where Ronika supports you on that.
Mhm.
We've got a presence on social media as well. So we've got community on Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, etc.
Mhm.
Right. Yeah. So this is how our journey has been. The idea got conceived in 2014, and
Mhm.
as of now, we are around 28,000 business owners across the platform. Most of them are from India. All right.
Mhm.
The key values. So this is what the eGrowth brand, the logo looks like. Rather, the icon looks like. Our three values are trust, courage, and growth. So there are three arrows which are firing in three directions simultaneously. So that is what eGrowth is all about. Okay. Here are some images from various events that we've done in the past. The one in the middle, this one was the first workshop which we conducted in 2014. So this was a result of a survey that we conducted. We asked the business owners, what are the key challenges that you're facing? And we put those together. The three major challenges were resource management, opportunity mapping, and innovation. So e-growth at biz stands for exponential growth in business, and these three challenges, we had three tracks on which we had speakers that day, right? And rest are different events, different times, some workshops, some networking meetings which have happened over the years.
Mhm.
We also went on a road trip to Punjab in 2017. These are images from there. We also got some coverage in the press. Okay. So for around 15 days, we were on the road interacting with business owners in different cities from different industries. So manufacturing, trading, international business, all of them. Okay. And then we also went on a road trip to West India. So that was Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Here again, we met not only the business owners, we also met up with various associations and chambers in the region. Okay. So for around 20 days, we were on the road, went to 21 cities, covered around 7,000 kilometers. This was in 2017. And then in 2018, we were partners with Startup India for their UP Yatra, which was a series of boot camps across 5 cities in Uttar Pradesh: Lucknow, Gorakhpur, Sultanpur, Kanpur, and Noida. So we were a technology partner with them. So we went to all these places. There was also some press coverage over here. And then we've been organizing various boot camps, various partnering with various organizations. So we've done these boot camps in Shimla, Kanpur, Udaipur, Jamshedpur, and a lot many other cities as well. All right. And we've also been doing some events for women entrepreneurs. So just recently on the 8th of March, on the International Women Day, we celebrated, so we had an event called Celebrating Womanhood, which was the third season. Okay.
Mhm.
So we did this with an organization called Federation of Buying Agents, and we intend to take this further. We also introduced a framework for designing your business, which is called as the leverage model. These are some images from the inaugural event, which happened in July last year.
Mhm.
And now in the lockdown period, we started yet one more thing, which is called as CEO Talks. This happens every morning, 9:30 to 10:30. And we have speakers from various aspects of entrepreneurship who come and speak to the entrepreneurs. So we've had people who've spoken on branding, sales, marketing. We've had business coaches who come and spoken on various aspects. Then also industrial engineering, business automation, business opportunities, information technology, compliances, legal experts have been there, and investment experts have also been there. So this happens every morning at 9:30. All of you are most welcome to join us here. All right. On Saturdays, we have a very special meeting, which we call as Industry Connect. Herein, we have a panel discussion wherein we invite people from various aspects of the entrepreneurship world. And on a very specific topic, we have this panel discussion. So last week, we had a panel discussion on creating sustainable. And this week, we intend to have a conversation. So tomorrow, we will have a conversation which will be uh, uh, just there's somebody speaking. All right. So this week the conversation that we are going to have is on entrepreneurship, the challenges and
हाँ
the
मैडम फोन किए
breakthroughs
थे
that first generation entrepreneurs have caused in their business. So do participate in this conversation tomorrow, and you will
ठीक है
get
देख
some
रहा हूँ मैं
interesting
देख रहा हूँ
inputs.
ओके
All right.
ओके
And on Sundays we have another special session which is called Chopal, Experience Laziness. This is where we have business owners and we don't have any specific agenda. You come, interact with other business owners, have a general conversation, and get to know them better. So, this knowing them better helps you to generate business for yourself and also contribute to their business. Right? So, this is what we've been doing during the lockdown, helping business owners come together. So, as of now, there are around 5,000 business owners who have participated in the CEO talks. We have had more than 51 sessions. So today would have been 52nd one. All right. You have an opportunity to speak during the CEO talks. So herein, what we do is we create a promo for your talk and distribute that across the eGrowth network, which reaches to around 1 lakh users through WhatsApp, portal, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. We also send an email to around 45,000 users. And then there is a live talk which happens on Zoom and which also goes live on Facebook, and the recording also gets uploaded on YouTube. If you want to take part in this or you want to host a talk, it costs you only 5,000 rupees for a single talk. If you want to go in for multiple talks, so for two talks, you pay only 4,000 rupees per talk, and after that, you pay only 3,000 rupees per talk. So if you're interested, you can get in touch with Ronika and she will be able to help you with the details, and we'll be glad to host a talk for you. Right? How is it that you can associate with eGrowth? First and foremost is we've got a portal called egrowth.org. This is where you can create your personal profile. You can post blogs and articles. You can list events, and you can list your requirements, both your requirements as well as your offers. So this is a platform for 360 degree of business development. So you can be from any industry. You are most welcome to join us on eGrowth. So you can come from manufacturing, trading, training, international business, or any other entrepreneurship. You're most welcome. As of now, we have more than 18,000 business owners who created their profile on the portal. All right. You can also get associated with us on social media. Our social media handle is egrowth.org. So we are there on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp as well. On WhatsApp, we've got 50 WhatsApp groups through which we reach out to various business owners. All right. On YouTube, we've got around 250 plus videos right now. So all the previous CEO talks are uploaded there. Some of the past workshops and events that we've conducted, those are also available over there. Some conversations that we have had with the eGrowth members, those are there. Some industry experts have also spoken on eGrowth, and all that is available there. So you're most welcome to come and learn from the 250 plus videos which are already there for you. Right. I urge you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It is youtube.com/c/egrowth.org. Other than this, we keep on having a very active engagement with all the people on the eGrowth platform. So we organize workshops and trainings, which can be eGrowth trainings. It can also be third-party trainings or co-branded trainings as well. We organize something called as eGrowth mixers. These are networking meetups wherein people they get to talk to each other and exchange business. We also have other specific meetings for the eGrowth members wherein we celebrate the success, we welcome the new joinees, and we also look at what else needs to be done in eGrowth to take eGrowth to the next level. All right. And a introduction call we have generally on Fridays. So like today we've had at 12 o'clock. We have it at different times depending on the week. CEO Talks, I spoke to you about it. Industry Connect and Chopal also spoke to you about it. And then we've got a very interesting format, which is called eGrowth Inner Circle. And eGrowth Inner Circle is a structured platform which meets 2 times in a month. There is a team which manages the eGrowth Inner Circle. The method is distributed consulting. You have peer-to-peer conversations. The medium is online. We started off as offline, and with lockdown, we went online, and we intend to keep it online. The scale is global, so you can be a business owner anywhere in the world, and you are most welcome to be a part of the inner circle. It's agnostic of the industry. The highlight of this meeting is the create session. A create session is something which helps you identify the challenges in your business and go beyond them. So what happens here is one of the business owners, he comes upfront, takes around 10 minutes to share about the business and also to share one challenge that he or she is facing at that point in time. And then everybody in the inner circle deliberates on this challenge, looks at what are the various solutions which are possible. And this is how, as a community, we look at solving challenges for the business. CREATE is an acronym for challenges, resolutions, empathy, analysis, trust, empower, and enable. Other than this, as a member of eGrowth Inner Circle, you also have access to the Industry Connect. What that means is there are various industry bodies with which eGrowth or eGrowth members are connected. You also have access to them. So these industry bodies can be associations, chambers of commerce, federations of industry, or industrial area bodies. All those become open for you, and you can start reaching out to them through eGrowth, right? So like this, this is a platform. The inner circle itself is a very high intensity structured platform which allows you to grow your business multifold. All right. How is it that you can grow on eGrowth? First piece is you can start with the registration wherein you get a verified profile on the portal. You can post blogs and articles, so you got read and write access. And you can participate in the eGrowth networking meets, which are called eGrowth mixers. And here you pay every time you participate in a mixer. And you can participate in a mixer across India. So in case you're traveling to any other city, say Mumbai or say to Delhi, so and there is a mixer which is happening there, you are free to go and join the mixer over there. And this is how you can build your network. Second piece is you can go in for an annual subscription wherein you get access to first and second level contacts, and you can also have a business portrait, which is like creating a shop for your business. Here the privilege that you have is you can start hosting networking meetings. So when you host a networking meeting, there are business owners who come to your place to get to know you. You can share about your business with them, and this is how you are able to build trust for your business and expand your network, wherein people come to your business and get to know what is available for them. All right. And the third level is an inner circle, wherein there are two meetings which happen every month. So that means you have 24 meetings every year with business owners who are spread across the country who come from different industries. You also get access to their trusted contacts. So you get access to the second degree contacts and industry connect. So connection with various industry bodies. That is an added advantage of being a member of the inner circle. So this is how you can choose to subscribe to eGrowth. Okay. And when you subscribe to eGrowth, there are some deals which you get. For example, there's one where from NX Incorporated, wherein you can choose their web hosting services, and these will be free for you for a period of 2 years. Okay, you can host up to 3 domains with 15 mailboxes, 1.5 GB of web hosting space, and this is available for the first 15 members this month. All right. There are other offers as well. So you can get a free digital business card from our partner called EvoConnect. They are a company based out of Mumbai. Favors, they are a company which is into sanitization and deep cleaning. They offer you 10% discount on availing their services. Right now in the lockdown period, when you are about to get back to your office, as you get back to your office, it is advisable that you get your office sanitized. So you can definitely use the services from Favors and get a discount on top of it. Okay. And then RS232, they are an Apple partner. They also run a multi-brand car workshop. Okay. And also a printing business. All right. So you can get benefits out of all their businesses if you are a member of eGrowth. All right. What is it that you need to do for registration is first you get access to a curated network, you get privileged access, you get online as well as offline engagement, and do it yourself. So you can create your profile yourself and post your requirement, publish your blogs and articles. So this is how your business starts getting known to other people. There is a one-time registration fee of only 8,000 rupees plus GST, which is valid for 10 years. Right. Next option is an annual subscription wherein you have access to the influencer network, you got premium access, and you also have access to power networking through the platform. The options that you have is you can choose to be a part of the inner circle and industry connect. So we organize delegations, we host delegations, we organize buyer seller meetings, and you can be a part of those and you can leverage those as well. Okay. The annual subscription is only 18,000 rupees per annum, and the inner circle subscription is only 30,000 rupees per annum. 18,000 rupees towards annual subscription, and 12,000 rupees towards the meetings. There are 24 of them which happen in a year. Okay, there is no additional expense on top of it. So for inner circle, the fees is 30,000 rupees, and the deals that you have first is you can participate in all the CEO talks. In case you've not participated in the CEO talks, you can still have access to the videos so that you can see the CEO talks or get value from those CEO talks which have happened in the past as well. So this would have a value of around 73,000 rupees for the entire year. Registration, which costs 8,000 rupees, is also waived off for you if you are going in for an inner circle subscription. And you can choose to have a second opinion from a CA. We got quite a few CAs and we can get you connected to somebody. Web hosting for 2 years free, that has a value of 4,000 rupees for you. Digital business card has a value of 500 rupees. So total this comes to 1,20,500 rupees. And all this is available to you at a very special deal, and it is not 30,000 rupees. It is only 15,000 rupees plus GST. That comes to 17,700 rupees. This was a little bit about e-growth. There is a lot more that you can explore as you go to the portal or you start interacting with other business owners on the platform. If you want to know more about us, or there are some questions which you want, you can always call up Ronika. She's available on 89209-26565. The other number 98101-62028 is of Mr. Sanjeev Ahuja, who is the president for the eGrowth Inner Circle. And in case you want to reach out to me, you can always write to me on atul@egrowth.org, and I generally respond within 24 hours. Okay. So this was a little bit about eGrowth. We're open for questions. It'll be great to answer your questions. Yeah. Welcome, Sonali. And welcome, Ravi. We did not hear from you earlier. Yeah. So do you guys have any questions? Ronika, did they have any questions earlier?
Just about the future point of view, how we can help them in future aspects from e-growth.
So a lot of it is what I covered in the presentation. If there is something specific, if you can please ask me, I'll be glad to answer.
Everyone can unmute their call for the open talk.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Rizwana. Good to see you.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, Divyanshi, you want to ask something?
No, not really, sir. Things were pretty explained, so I don't have a lot of queries.
Okay. So when are you going to subscribe?
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
Can't hear you, sir.
I said, when are you going to subscribe?
As I said, I have already made the portal. Rest, I'll need to have a word with my family.
Sure.
So once I'm through with that, would do that.
Sure, most welcome. So you can remain in touch with Ronika and she'll be glad to support you on that.
Sure, definitely.
Yeah, right. Giridhar, anything opened up for you in this conversation?
There is a meeting tomorrow with my team.
Okay.
So obviously, as we are going for a pan-India expansion, so let me see how they are going to respond on this. And we will do an analysis, then we can go ahead.
Sure enough. So if you have any questions, you can let us know and we'll be glad to answer.
So obviously, we have the phone numbers.
Yeah.
That is, I hope, far enough to have a feeling.
Definitely. Yeah. Anytime. Most welcome. Ravi? Or Sonali?
Hello.
Yeah, hi Sonali.
Hi everyone. So basically, I'm working on a digital product,
Uh-huh.
and once I'm able to put together it, then I think I'll be in a position to take a decision.
Sure. So which city are you from, Sonali?
I'm from Delhi.
And would you tell us something more about the digital product that you're working on?
So currently, I am working on something which put me on improving your self-worth.
Okay.
And will be specifically catering to tier 2 and tier 3 cities.
Okay.
And its people.
All right. So when do you think the product would go live?
I think it would take at least as of now. But I've
Okay.
started doing something, sharing a few concepts of it on
Mhm.
yeah.
All right. And do you think eGrowth will be of some support to you?
Yeah, definitely it can give. And also just to share, like this would be one of the aspects. Otherwise, it's not specialist.
Hmm.
So I'm simultaneously looking on those aspects also.
Okay.
I have 10 plus years of experience. Yeah.
Wow. Great.
There is a small query from my end.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just wanted to know that whatever profile by far I have made, or
Yeah.
whatever messages that we would be sending it across to the WhatsApp groups,
Right.
how will that reach to the customers? So the groups and all that we have are the ones from the people who have their business profiles on the on our website.
So some of them they have, some of them they don't have. That is why we've got multiple platforms. All right.
Okay.
So we have access to around 28,000 business owners, and only around 1,000 have created the profile on the portal.
Yeah.
All right.
So my customers are more than, so my customers are not business owners. You know, my customers are the individuals who are studying or who are in a job sector. So I
Okay.
wanted to know if a common people can, really explore our platform or not.
Yes, they can. So there is no binding that non-business owners cannot come. Our focus is towards the business owner. Does it
Okay.
answer your
Okay.
question?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you can please elaborate, what are your services?
As I said, I'm a counselor. So I counsel students from grade 7 onwards to people, to even the people who are in a job but are not very satisfied or are looking for a change in their job. So I reach to such people, and we have one-on-one sessions. I am a psychotherapist.
Got
So
it.
and I work as a career counselor.
Absolutely. So now these children whom you counsel,
Yeah.
seventh grade onwards, who
Yeah.
takes the buying decision for them?
Uh, Mostly their parents, their guardian.
Amazing, right? And do you think their parents can be business owners?
Yes, they can be.
So that says that business owners can potentially be your customers,
Uh, yeah, sort of can say
right?
that.
Okay. Another piece. These people who are employed, who employs them?
Business, of course.
Business, right? So there are people who are looking for a change. There are business owners who are looking for retaining their people.
Yeah, I can say so, but yeah, so that was the only query, that if we can reach through the last customer or
No,
not.
I get that. So what I'm saying is, eGrowth is not the place for employees.
Yeah,
Okay, eGrowth is not the place for students.
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
but having said that, students don't take their decisions. It is their parents who take, right?
Yeah,
Their parents are there on this platform, right?
okay.
uh, Business owners who want to retain their employees, they can again take a call or a decision to invite counselors like you to take session for their employees, so that they are able to retain their employees.
Okay, okay, got
Does
that.
that make sense?
Yeah,
So all what I'm saying is, an employee most of the times would
yeah,
not spend on things like counseling. It is the entrepreneur who spends on it.
yes, yes, yes.
And we've got only entrepreneurs here.
Okay, okay, got the answer, sir. Thank you.
All right. And one more thing. Uh, in your business, if you have to consult your family to take your decisions, that means you are not the business owner. You are still acting like an employee. You get what I'm saying? So if
Yeah, sir, but then there are a lot of things that matters in this cases, as I am a person who has just started.
fair
I
enough.
am not someone who has been already settled down,
No, that's
and
absolutely
I
fine.
believe that advice is something that should be taken to take a better decision.
No,
It
absolutely.
helps you
See, that is
to
absolutely fine.
understand the pros and cons of the to be able to make a better decision. As I am a counselor myself, I know how much it helps to have to seek an advice from someone.
Right. Sure. Fair enough. You take your call.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Anybody else has some questions?
Atul,
Yeah, Rizwana.
yeah, I was wondering, I actually am from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. That day also when we had the meetup, I had told regarding expanding to Coimbatore because I am in Coimbatore.
Right.
There is one network called Coimbatore Parenting Network. So
Okay.
that is only for women's. You
Okay.
can search for them in the Facebook. So
Okay.
they are only focusing about mothers. That is the
Right.
only women's network.
Okay.
So as of now, actually there are a lot of we need women. As you said, women network is what you were focusing on. I don't know where you have established that.
Yeah.
So if you can bring up, I am little bit focusing on my organization, that is e-counselors love. I am focusing
Right.
only on development of that.
Fair
But
enough.
your job here is focusing on e-growth, that is business networking.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I was wondering, I can be of help to you in connecting people from here.
Right. Awesome. That'll be great. So I'll tell you
Yeah.
a little bit more about the kind of interactions that we have in the women ecosystem. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
So there's a lady named Riddhi Doshi. She's
Okay.
from Mumbai. She
Mm-hmm.
runs a platform called Laja, Laja.
Okay.
Okay, which
Okay.
is the first women organization of India.
Okay.
Okay, so she has been associated with eGrowth for a pretty long time. And
Okay.
as Laja, as eGrowth and Laja, we do a lot of stuff together. Okay, so
Okay.
Laja has a flagship program called Tattva. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
so I was so we had a stall there this time. We were invited there in 2019. We were
Okay.
also there in 2018. This is in Mumbai.
Okay.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
There's an organization in Mathura called ANWA, ANWA, which is
Okay.
Atmanirbhar Women Association. This
Okay.
is being run by a young girl named Pavni Khandelwal.
Okay.
Okay, so they
Mm-hmm.
started off with teaching bike riding to women so that they
Okay.
could be self-reliant. That is where the name Atmanirbhar comes from.
Okay.
And after that, they expanded into being a women organization which works on social issues, which works on
Mm-hmm.
training the women in various entrepreneurial things. They help women entrepreneurs in raising funds and all that stuff. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
they just recently organized around the Women Day. They organized
Mm.
Anva Women Entrepreneurs Awards. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
eGrowth was a partner with them. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we are a
Mm-hmm.
partner with them for mentorship. In
Okay.
fact, tomorrow they would be organizing a session
Mm-hmm.
for the Anva members, wherein I'll be speaking about leverage to them.
Okay.
All right. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
second women organization that we're talking about. Okay.
Yes.
I
Mm.
recently participated in a capacity building program for the business membership organizations, wherein I got connected to another organization which is called as Awake, AWAKE,
Okay.
which is a women organization from Karnataka.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember the full forms. K stands for
Okay.
Karnataka, W is
Okay.
women, A is all, I think so.
Okay.
Okay, so this is an
Mm.
organization which was started by this one Kiran Majumdar of Biocon.
All right.
So like this, we keep on doing a lot of stuff with
Mm-hmm.
organizations which are for women. Okay.
Okay. So you're
And
saying whoever is already existing, you collaborate with them.
absolutely.
Okay. Okay.
See, whatsoever. So you spoke about Coimbatore Parenting Network, right? They're
Yes. Yes.
already doing some great job, great work,
Yeah.
right? So
Yes.
doesn't make sense to reinvent the wheel.
Mm-hmm.
They're already doing some great job. If we can help
Yeah.
them take it to the next level, it's
Mm-hmm.
a win-win for everybody.
I mean, they are not looking out for expansion.
They may not
I
look for expansion.
Yeah.
Okay? There may be somebody who wants to expand into Coimbatore, and they're
Yes.
looking
Yes.
for partners.
Yeah.
Will the members of Coimbatore Parenting Club get benefit out of it?
Sorry, I did not hear you. Network issues.
I said if there is somebody who wants to expand into Coimbatore
Okay.
and they are looking for some kind of business support or some others, forget the business piece,
Partnership.
some NGO
Okay.
support also, some
Okay.
training, some counseling, some other support.
Okay.
Do you think that will be of interest to the parenting network?
Hmm.
I mean, I'm just sharing. I don't know what they do, and we've not had a discussion
Yeah.
on that.
So I cannot tell it from their perspective, right?
Yeah, no.
So I don't know.
All what I'm saying is, as
Yeah.
eGrowth, we are
Okay.
open to working with women organizations.
Okay.
Okay, and from
Yeah.
our stuff, our perspective, or our
Mm-hmm.
to the best of our ability, we'll work with them.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this
Mm-hmm.
is not just for women enterprises. This is also
Okay.
for other organizations which are working to uplift human beings as such. So there's an organization in Bombay called Choti Si Asha.
Okay.
So this organization right now
Mm-hmm.
has around 300 people on the streets, and they are distributing food to people who are affected by corona.
All right. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
they are generating funds, they are looking for suppliers for various equipment, HSC kits, and those kind of stuffs. So
Okay.
this is where I helped them with some contacts.
Okay. Wonderful. Okay.
All right, so there's an organization in Gurgaon called I Am Gurgaon. They
Mm-hmm.
are working on environmental issues.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
there's an organization called the Voice of Slum in Noida,
Okay.
which works with small children, school going children, so helping them feed and
Mm-hmm.
helping them become self-reliant.
Okay.
Okay, so we are not restricted only to the business piece. Our
Mm-hmm.
mainstay is business, and
Yes.
we are working in the other sustainability and social issues, so we are pretty present to that.
That's good. Okay.
Makes
Okay.
sense?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So I would like to know more about what are the procedure if someone wants to collaborate, if some organization wants to collaborate with eGrowth. If you can tell me more about the procedures.
So the first procedure is we start talking.
Okay.
Okay, then based on what is the kind of collaboration we are talking about, what will be the roles and responsibilities, what is the kind of involvement, based on that we can create something.
Okay. No, I'm asking about the financial part. So if
that
there is an
that also what I'm saying, that financial part, since this is not a business transaction, so if it was a subscription,
all right.
if you want to subscribe to eGrowth as a member, I have a clear cut price for that.
All right. Yes.
But if you are an NGO and you are doing something, now based on what is it that you are expecting, based on it what you are bringing to the table, we'll work out what are the financials. So there is no hard and fast model around it.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Okay. Yes. Yes. Actually, I have a Facebook group which I started for women, e-counselors love for women. Actually, I have in mind to.
So I think, Rizwana, let us have a conversation one-on-one on this.
Yes,
okay?
yes.
And
yes,
then we can build further on it. All right.
Sure, sure. Okay.
Great, great. So
Thank
good
you.
to speak to you after a pretty long time.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, great, great.
Same here.
Yeah, thanks. So anything else that you people want to discuss? Maybe Devanshi or Sonali? Some other questions that you may have?
No, sir, not really, not right now.
Oh, okay, great. Okay. All right, then I think we'll complete the conversation. All right, Ronika, anything else you want to say? You have
Yeah,
the last
thank
word.
you. Yeah, first, thanks for your time, all of you, and hope this is a beneficial session for you. We'll share the PPT of eGrowth and the recording of this session also. As it's a quick intro, you will just go through it once, the PPT and the recording once again. And then for further queries, for the registration, for the subscription, for any type of queries, please let me know further for the same.
All right. So thanks, Ronika, for hosting this, and thanks for inviting me.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. Chalo, bye. See you.
Bye.
Good day to all of you.
Good evening, sir.